Alright guys, so welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and in today's video we're going to take a look at this UGREEN product I have right here. This is the magnetic wireless charger. This is the UNO series, and it's also Qi2 compliant, which means if you have a Qi2 compatible device, you can utilize the full 20 watts of wireless charging from this power bank. So without wasting more time, let's get into the unboxing right away. Alright, so now we are in the table and you can start unboxing this product here. So take a look at the packaging itself. You can see all the information you know right here. So we have a screen over here that displays like the status of the power bank, whether it's fully charged or not. You can see over here. You also have a built-in stand, which I'll show you guys later. And this is the UGREEN UNO magnetic wireless power bank, 10,000 mAh battery. So it does come with a Type-C cable as well. So at the back you can see the specs. For more information, I just should give you guys a closer look. You can see in details over there, so that should be good enough. And here also more information you can see, and then over here also more information on the device. So let us unbox this thing, take a look what do we get inside the box. So let me just get a knife right here. I'm gonna cut it open. Kind of grab it. Alright, there we go guys. And here it is, and wow, let's power up together. So this is what we get. We got this, and then we can take out the power bank itself. Let's put this to the side first and see what do we get. So we got a leaflet here. We can go start open it up. Yep, we can take it out. So very cute. Open now. I think this should be the user manual. So this is what you get. User instructions. We got the help guide. Oh, what's this? Then these are just okay. Recycling information. Magnetic wireless power bank manual for this particular device, and that's it. And let's see. I think we should get a cable as well. Let's just take it over here. We should get cable. Not mistaken. Probably the other side. At this side. Yeah, the cable is right here. You can see you do get Type-C cable in case you wanna have an extra one. They give you one. In case you don't have one, you can use it as well. So yep, this is what you get in the box. So let us take a quick look at the device. You can see it's actually pretty slim, considering this one is just a 10,000 mAh battery. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys the power bank itself in action. Yep, let's take it out of the sleeve. There we go. And here we go guys. This is how it looks like on camera. It looks pretty nice. The design is really premium. And this is the back side with the wireless magnetic pad. And you can see we have a power button here. You can press it. Press on it. It should come on. Yeah, it says hi there. So let me just take this out so you can see the actual display. So you can see 30% charged right now. So it's not fully charged when it comes out of the box. And you have this kickstand you can put like this. Turn it this way as well. So yeah, you can put, for example, your device is charging like this. You can just put it on the pad and it should charge magnetically if your device supports that. But if your device doesn't support it, no worries. You can still use the USB port right here, the Type-C connector right here, to charge your device the old school way. So yeah, but the main highlight of this product obviously is the magnetic function. So if your device has the charger, you can just attach to it. It will just magnetically will snap into position, and you don't need to do anything. So that's the whole point of this power bank, is that function and the Qi2 compliance. So it can go up to 20 watts. Your device supports it. My device hasn't arrived yet. I have ordered the S25 Ultra, but that is still on the way, so I cannot show it to you guys right now. But yeah, but if you have a device compatible like the iPhone with MagSafe, you can just attach to it. It should work for issues. And yeah, this screen is just really cute. It's very nice. Overall, very slim design. Look at that, fantastic. Let's see. Alright guys, and that's about it. This is just an unboxing of this UGREEN magnetic wireless charger. What do you guys think? I think it's a very interesting product. I was going to test it out and see how it fares once my actual Galaxy device arrives, which is the S25 Ultra that I already ordered. So it'll take some time for it to come, but in the meantime, I'll do a review obviously on this device to see how it fares. Because this one, the main highlight of this power bank is obviously its G2 compliant capabilities, because the S25 Ultra does support it. So I'm gonna make use of it as well with this power bank. But overall, I really love the fact that you have a kickstand as well. You also have the option to use a magnetic wireless charging or just use the wired charging. So yeah, all options are available, and it's fast. 20 watts wireless charging is pretty fast, and it also works with like iPhones as well. So you have an iPhone with MagSafe compatible. With MagSafe compatibility, it should work no problems. But yep, this is the main highlight of this power bank, is the magnetic functionality of the power bank. Alright, that's all for me guys. Just a quick video and unboxing of this UGREEN magnetic wireless power bank. What do you guys think? If you're interested in buying the product, I'll put the link in the description to buy it for yourself. Please use my affiliate link because it does help the channel if you use my link. With that being said, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.